Day 4 is kicking off, probably our best day of the camp. Excited to get into this one. Here we go. All right, guys, it is day 4 of the Good Ink Summer Photography Camp. Been a ton of fun so far. We got a really good day planned. We're going to start things off with our daytime activation at Seasons Coffee. That is in Midtown Sacramento. Really cool coffee shop owned by Greg. Shout out to Greg. He used to actually come to the Good Tuesdays back in the day. He owns a coffee shop now in an absolutely beautiful building. Stunning space. Excited to get over there and hang out with that. Hopefully we see Greg, hang out with everybody coming through. The daytime activations have been going really well. I'm super proud of that. I'm excited for those kind of moving forward. After that, we will be at Park Winters, which is probably the highlight premier location for this summer camp. An absolutely incredible farm property turned wedding venue turned event space turned flower farm, flower garden. It's incredible, man. It is really a special place. Big thank you to Raphael and John for hosting us again this year. They've been so gracious with us, man, giving us the opportunity to come out here and create. Met them a few years back. They've been nothing but accommodating to myself and Good Ink and the creative community just in general in Sacramento. So big thank you to them for giving us the opportunity to come out here, because this place is absolutely special. So yeah, we should have a really good time out there. We have I think 7 models coming. It's a little bit of a drive, so it's going to be interesting how many people actually turn out. But if we get a good turnout for models, we should have a good amount of photographers. We should have an absolute blast and be able to get some great content. So yeah, here we go. An awesome day. Let's get it. Checking in here at Park Winters. This place is beautiful, man. Excited to be here. Got here a little bit early, but there was a little bit of traffic, so I think today's going to be a little bit delayed. Not surprised, though. There's always traffic coming out here this way. It's about a 45 to 50 minute drive from like downtown Sacramento, so a decent little drive, but well worth it. Just looks like it's gonna be a pretty nice day. We don't have any clouds or anything, but it's not super hot. I'm really glad it's not hot, because we're gonna be primarily outside in the garden area. And yesterday it was like 102 or something like that. So luckily today is like a high of 87 or something like that, and it's already starting to cool down. Feeling pretty nice, so it should be an absolute blast. So ready to get out, get creative, have fun, and hang out at this beautiful space. I'm gonna show you guys kind of all around, so you get an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, here we go. And that is a wrap for another great day at summer camp. Awesome turnout. Absolutely incredible location. Like I said, probably the premier location of the summer camp. That place is absolutely incredible. Big thank you again to Raphael and to John for hosting us. Every time we get to go there, it's an absolute pleasure. So yeah, man, things kind of still moving along. It's been a ton of fun. As much fun as that was, we got more fun coming. We'll be at Sage and Silver tomorrow. We'll be doing a little lunch tomorrow. We've been doing like coffee. Tomorrow we're doing lunch as our daytime activation at Lucky's Drive-In. So that should be a lot of fun as well. Down to our last, kind of, I guess, past halfway at this point. So kind of coming down towards the end of things. It's crazy, man. It feels like we just started, but it also feels like I'm exhausted. Like it feels like we've been doing this forever. So, looking forward to more to come, but also kind of dreading like, oh, it's going to be over soon. Like, no way. So yeah, tomorrow should be absolutely awesome. Appreciate everybody for watching. Big thank you to everyone that's been involved in the summer camp as well so far. Big shout out to my guys, Abel, Marcus, and Johnny. They've been helping out a ton. Yeah, man. See you guys on the next one. Peace.